The process, as we do business with our customers, it all starts off obviously with a phone call. They're going to call, we're going to answer all the questions that they have on the phone. We'll explain the process a little bit as we go through. We're going to enter them into our system, and then they're immediately going to get an email and a text message to confirm our appointment. They'll get a reminder a couple days ahead of time, let us know not only what time we're going to be there, but who's going to show up. And then they'll get a text message when our technicians are on their way, so they know who's coming, what time they're going to be there. And then when the guys show up at the house, we've got a big power vacuum truck that they're going to pull in with. They're going to go in the house, they're going to meet you, the customer, and just walk through the house, listen to what your concerns are, why you called us out there in the first place, to make sure that we're looking at the right areas, make sure we're satisfying those. And then from there, we've got a big connecting hose we're going to run from the truck into the house, connected into the ductwork. That truck is actually a power vacuum truck, so it's going to create just a powerful suction on the whole duct system. So from there, once we get a good suction going, we'll go through each register with some different air tools, some brushes maybe, just kind of depending on what type of ductwork you've got in your house. We're going to work all the way from the registers back to the furnace with some dislodgers and things to loosen up that dust and debris, some air blasters to blast it down so that suction can pull it out of the house and all the way outside to the truck. So we'll clean everything from the registers back to the furnace. Then we're going to look inside the furnace. We're going to clean the blower fans. We're going to clean the air conditioner coils, the secondary heat exchanger, anything we can get good access to. We want to try to clean it. Our goal is to clean everything that air touches as it passes through your system. So we'll clean all of that, get everything put back together, and then at the end of the day, the last thing we're going to do is walk through, make sure that we don't leave a mess behind. Everything's put back together. The furnace, air conditioner is working properly, and all that kind of stuff.